This is Dr. Hovelt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says a school paid $31.25 for each calculator. If the school bought X calculators, how much did they pay? So remember, we can multiply. So to find the total cost, multiply the cost per calculator by the number of calculators. You could even make a little table in your notebook like this to help you with the problem. So we would have the number of calculators and the price. So for instance, if we buy no calculators, that's not going to cost any money. If we buy one calculator, it's $31.25. If we buy two calculators, how much would that cost? Well, we would add the cost of another calculator, or we would multiply the cost of a calculator by 2. And that would be $62.50. What if we got 3 calculators? Let me get my calculator out so I can find the cost of all the calculators. That would be $93.75. And so on. So we can put dots here to represent the table continues the same pattern. So if I got X calculators, how would I find that cost? Well, I would take the cost per calculator, $31.25, multiply it by X. So that means for X calculators, it would cost 31.25 times X, like that. So for the next question, it says the school spent $500 on calculators. How many calculators did the school buy? So now we have two expressions that represent the amount spent on calculators. We know that it was $500, but at the same time we know that that's equal to 31.25 times the number of calculators. So in order to find out what X is, we can divide by 31.25 on both sides. So when we do that, we would get that 500 divided by 31.25 is equal to X. So what's that going to be? Well, whenever you put that in your calculator, just enter that number into Desmos and see if you got it right. Alright, so thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.